All set now, ready to race, and the race is on. Prince Carlo. From the outside, Tiger Rafi moving up Italia. Moving up on the further outside, Tiger Rifik, and by the rally is now or never. Number 1, Presidential, Unica Champ, Blue Chic, Coquette, Mr. Lindros, and Wow West is running at the tail of the field. Italia by about 3 lengths, followed by Tiger Rifik in second. Moving up by the rail is Unica Champ, now or never, Tiger Rafi. And rounding the far turn, Italia by about 3 lengths, followed by Tiger Rifik on the outside, Tiger Rafi on the further outside. Now or never. And Wow West, Unica Champ as they race the final corner. Italia by a length and a half, followed by Tiger Rifik, Tiger Rafi on the outside, Unica Champ, and nearing the finish line, Italia, Tiger Rifik on the outside, and on the further outside, Tiger Rafi, Wow West, Blue Chick, Tiger Rafi, a long shot from the outside, and finally, Tiger Rafi, close, Wow West, Tiger Rifik, Blue Chick, Italia, Unica Champ.
Sabi ko na, pag kamag-anak yun eh.